Why do we hiccup? Hiccups occur when the diaphragm involuntarily causing a sudden inhalation of air followed by the closure of the vocal cords, producing the characteristic hic sound. This reflex can be triggered by various factors, such as eating too quickly, consuming carbonated drinks, or experiencing sudden temperature changes. Stress, excitement, and even laughing too much can also stimulate this involuntary action. While most hiccups are harmless, persistent ones may be a sign of an underlying medical condition. The exact cause remains a mystery, though some believe it might be a leftover reflex from early evolutionary stages. Hit follow to know cool facts while scrolling.